Street Edge Alternative, Seattle, Washington. Water Design in the City, Assignment 6 by Corey Spearoff. For the purpose of this assignment, I am exploring the SEA, or Street Edge Alternative program. Referred to as the pilot project of 2011, the objective was to redesign the drainage and vegetation of 2nd Avenue as to more closely mimic the drainage in an undisturbed natural landscape. To accomplish this goal, impervious surfaces were reduced by 11% compared to that of an average street. Surface detention swales were added, 100 deciduous and evergreen trees were planted, and over 1,100 shrubs were also established. The now established landscape elements serve two important roles. First is the function of the site, meaning how well does the site manage stormwater. The trees are important in that they help to create more evaporation and transpiration that otherwise would not be present on a normal street. The plants selected were native wetland and upland plants of the Seattle area. The variety of vegetation placed in the swales is also important in that it helps to filter out materials in the water while also slowing down the flow of the stormwater. The resulting increased pervious ground cover aids in the infiltration of groundwater. It was also mentioned in my research that designers emphasized keeping existing large-scale trees and designing the project as to not hinder any homeowners' projects. While they were creating this project, they took excavated soils and mixed it with organic compost to provide the plants with a more rich topsoil while simultaneously reducing the need for fertilizer and watering. Designers also used clay to line the swales. This way, during the summer months, the plants could still survive due to the ability of the clay to hold a lot of moisture. The secondary role of this project was to improve the aesthetics of the street. Increased landscaping and design improvement helped to accomplish this goal. In addition to planting thousands of plants, boulders and washed river rocks were also added to provide more beauty. The sidewalk design was also key in keeping the area attractive, which in turn also draws more people into the area. After its implementation, monitoring of the project showed that the SEA street reduced the amount of stormwater leaving the street by 99%. The project is a great success. It is beneficial not only to the residents of 2nd Avenue, but to the citizens of Seattle. It proves that through innovative and well-thought-out plans, we can design an area that serves the needs of the people with the built environment and also serves the natural environment by reducing the stress on the surrounding environmental areas. It also provides a great example to other areas around the city and even other states of how to rethink traditional design of streetscape. I would also imagine that the surrounding residents saw a nice increase in property value. There are some negative critiques to this project. It cost the city $850,000, and imagine how much it would cost to apply the same setup to other streets in the city. Maintaining these areas might be another cause for complaints, as they need to be monitored to ensure their proper working order. This is a picture of the before and after. Overall, I would call this project a great success. As it is useful to the community, it serves a great function in terms of ecology, and it has effectively managed stormwater in the area over the past 11 years.